Hello and welcome to this market analysis. Well, it's been quite some time that I actually did this analysis, and that is because the market in general had been in the worst of shapes in my experience. Okay, trust me, I look at the market every single day. All right, looking at what has happened, and well, so far nothing interesting. And so today I just want to give you a quick update. We will look into a few pairs, analyze them, and see what has been going on. All right, but before we do that, let's look into the Forex Factory economical calendar to see the high impact news announcement that are scheduled for this trading week. All right, we have quite a few here. The normal high impact news announcement, ECB. Well, I am also aware that the G7 is actually meeting, okay, but that is not contained in this calendar here. Well, their meeting, of course, concerns global economic issues, particularly with the Ukraine-Russia war, sanctions here and there. We hope all of this will be cleared for the Forex market to return to normal. Okay, this has really damaged the Forex market, as a good number of those market movers are out of the market for fear of losing their monies due to sanctions coming from into Russia axis. All right, so they are on the sideline until all of those are cleared. Then we'll begin to see those type of sound market conditions that we profit from. All right, let's randomly pick a few pairs to see how they have been behaving. Let me take the Australian dollar against the Japanese yen. We had actually analyzed this pair before. I have left my levels. I didn't change my levels. All right, I just left them so we can continue from where we stopped. This is the monthly line right here. Okay, this line is from the monthly time frame as support. It is still intact, but if you are zooming very closely, you will see that for the past 3 weeks, okay, plus this week right now, price has been momentumless, right? So in what you observe in recent times is that price either makes a straight move, okay, or simply goes sideways in momentum fashion. Okay, when you get those sanctions released either into Russia or something else, you get that straight move. All right, then another chaotic move again. All right, so all of that makes it a bit difficult. Here we got that fake breakout. We actually analyzed this, okay, but look at the performance. Very poor performance right here. And so this level, which belongs to the daily time frame, is still intact. Then we could also have this one here. Let me take this. This is happening around the monthly level of resistance, okay, but let's just keep it at this. This is the daily level of resistance, and this is the daily level of support. Maybe we will have a range. Okay, maybe we will have a range, but as you can see, there is actually nothing going on there for us to trade. In the daily time frame, you can see lots of congestion, lots of hesitation. This is a very bad market condition. If we want to really be specific with this with these levels, well, we could simply keep this right here. This actually belongs to the forward time frame, but we can just bring it here because of the kind of thin market volume that we are seeing. Okay, so I just keep it there. In the forward time frame, again, you can have this one, which could actually go to the hourly time frame. Then just adjust this one here. This one is to the 1 hour time frame. But in all, let's not waste much time here. This is a momentumless market in the Australian dollar against the Japanese yen. The conclusion here is that it is a no-go for now. The market volume is too low, so we are not looking to trade anything there. Let's look into the euro against the American dollar. We had analyzed this. We talked about our monthly level of support where price is actually trading around, and the advice here is to avoid hitting on your sell button because that is a monthly level of our support. In the weekly time frame, price is still far away from the weekly level of resistance. Okay, that outer trend line, price is still far away from that area. But we have a level of resistance right here. Okay, this level here, we have gotten some form of a double bottom of that level in the weekly time frame. Let me zoom it again. All right, double bottom. This is the first bottom there. This is another bottom, but this is resistance there. So we'll go to the daily time frame to see that level of resistance. Okay, what's the trend line? This trend line looks quite weak in my opinion, but I am just going to keep it there for now. So that level of resistance we talked about in the weekly time frame. Let me take this here to the weekly time frame. Okay, so that's the level of resistance. Price again might be finding a range. Okay, so low volume market around that area. So for how many weeks? If you count the number of weeks, you see that price has been flat. Okay, so making it extremely difficult for traders to make money. In fact, if you were to be trading this spinning top right here, okay, you have to be trading that spinning top right here, which is a reversal candle of that level of support, you could see the performance, very poor performance right here. A momentumless type of market, the type that you will not be able to make money out of it. Okay, so for now, we're not taking any trade here. Price is sideways. There is no opportunity for us to trade. You always want to trade in a momentum market where you quickly, very quickly jump in and make your money and jump out of it. Forex time frame, it seems like a flat top triangle. Just keep this one here. Okay, flat top triangle, bias to the upside. Price has been struggling real hard. Well, maybe to break to the upside, then make that continuation move. But for now, for so many days, price has been momentumless, sideways, and not suitable for us to trade. Which one again? Let me just pick one more pair. Maybe the okay, let me pick a Canadian dollar pair, the Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar. Monthly time frame, price is trading in the middle of nowhere. This is resistance. This is the last swing low right there. So we will be concentrating around this area, that congestion. You can see many months, all right, price has just been flat, particularly this year. All right, all of these bad market conditions started as soon as the Russia began to issue threat warnings to Ukraine. That was when we started having terrible market condition. So in the weekly time frame, price is trading around support axis, all right, and this is the weekly level of resistance. We have that other level of resistance, but that could go to the daily level, to the daily time frame. This is the level of resistance here. Trying to be okay. That's the level of resistance there. It's been a range. It's been a sideways price behavior. Low volume, okay, low volume market. This is an abnormal type of market condition. Again, you will find them over and over. Just bring this one here. The lowest swing low right there. Then this one here, we can keep it right here. If you're trading in this type of market, I'm just wondering what you are actually trading. Okay, I'm just wondering what you are actually trading. The best course of action in this type of market is to avoid it completely. Okay, just stay away. Which one again? Let's pick another random pair. Euro against the Australian dollar. Monthly time frame, well, quite interesting here. We saw that price has broken that key level, all right, key level of support, right, former support, now may act as resistance. So price is now tilting towards that level of resistance. You really do not want to hit on your buy button against that level of resistance until price makes a push above, all right, until price makes a push above. For now, there is no sign of a reversal, no sign yet. Okay, so in the weekly time frame, let's zoom in so you can see clearly. Now take a look at those type of price behavior we're talking about. You see, just look at this. This is really horrible. This is a recipe for traders to lose money, and as soon as you notice this, please, the best thing to do is to avoid the market. Okay, just simply avoid the market. So in the weekly time frame, price has crawled back up to that level of resistance. Will it hold price? We're going to see a bounce. Well, nothing yet has been established. In the daily time frame, I will want to just keep this level since price is just moving sideways to the upside. It is really difficult to analyze this type of market. This is a very dangerous market, and you want to simply avoid it. Okay, nothing there at all. Forward time frame, we could keep this this one here. Okay, that's all. Nothing to trade. Let me take one more pair, a very last pair, so I can just save your time and also save my time as well. Which pair should I take? Okay, let's take the sterling pounds against the Swiss franc. All right, I was actually following this. This was on our radar in the weekly time frame. We're looking for price to break free from that flat bottom triangle. In fact, the breakout happened. I will want to zoom in for you to see clearly. The breakout actually happened. You see those candles, 1, 2, 3. Those were the breakout. But you could see the type of momentum breakout candles that we had. It was actually lacking momentum. We actually want to be seeing this type of heavy body weight candle breaking through key levels. All right, that is what we want to see. That's what gives you the hint that that price action is happening in good momentum. But we got just those very ugly candle breaking that level, and then some erratic kind of pullback and erratic kind of movement to the downside. There was no valid entry for us at all. Okay, so we couldn't take any trade there. That's because of the global economic crisis that we are seeing. All right, so price has been erratic as the major market movers who keeps the charts are stable out of the market. All right, so right now price is really not stable. It is crawling and then very erratic in formation. In the daily time frame, what else? Well, this is our key level there as resistance. Here we are seeing some sideways price by highs in very thin market volume for how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days in a row. Nothing happening in the sterling pounds against the Swiss franc. Well, you can see that clearly in the forward time frame. Let's put this one here as resistance, this one as support. Very clearly, market lacks momentum in this pair. All right, so in general, the advice I am giving to you here is to avoid the market completely for now. You can keep studying, prepare for better days ahead. Trust me, once the war is over, once peace comes to bear, I am sure that things will return to normal, and of course there'll be plenty of opportunities to make money from the forex market. So but for now, please stay on the sideline, and we will keep updating you as soon as we find the market fit for profitable trading. Thanks for sticking around, and if you are impatient enough, then you can exit our platform. But for now, we are not trading. All right, we are just following the market to see how things have improved or gotten worse. Don't forget to join our social media, our Telegram channel, our WhatsApp group, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can always get updates as soon as we post any video. Thanks and best of luck. Bye bye.